How to sign up for Kajabi affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to sign up for Kajabi affiliate program. So as you can see this interface on my screen, you can access this by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click on it, you will land on this page. Then you need to click on take me to partner dashboard. And here you need to create an account. Your start 14 days will be free trial. You can also continue with Google. Let's continue with Google. You can also continue with your Facebook, and from here you need to create a password. And in this box you need to type your card number and then click on sign up to receive the latest product update, exclusive subscriber promotion and inspiring hero stories. Then click on start today. After the free trial you can cancel, upgrade or downgrade anytime. You can pay monthly, you can also pay annually. You can choose it from here. This is how you can sign up for Kajabi affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.